Hi, good evening to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to solve simplification problems by using shortcut methods. First we discuss how to add values by using shortcut methods in the simplifications. First method is additions. How to add the numbers. For example, that values in the form of 123, 456 plus 239, etc. 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So here we observe that in each and every number we have same 3 digits. There is no problem at all. We can directly add all these values. For example, in any number, the values are different. For example, the numbers like this 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 8, 7, 2 plus 1, 2, 8, 7, 3, 6. So in this case, how can we add all these values? So first here we add the last digits value 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 7 18, 8, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 6 19, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 1 17, this one completed, mark this. 17 plus 5, 22. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. So this one completed, cross this. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. So this one also completed, cross it. Here one is the right one. So in this way, we can add values any number of digits. Here one number is four digits, one number is 3 digits, other number is 5 digits, other number is 6 digits. Next, second case, addition of mixed fractions. Addition of mixed fractions. Now here we see that 1 3 1 by 2, 4 plus 5 1 by 4 plus 6 1 by 2 equal to. Now here first we add these fraction values half plus half 1, 1 plus 1 by 4, 1 1 by 4. That means 1 by 4 here, right? 1 add to these numbers. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 19 1 by 4. Next here, see one more example, 5 1 by 4, 8 1 by 2 plus 6 equal to. Now 1 by 4, 1 by 2, that value is half plus call, mukal. Mukal means 3 by 4. Write that. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. Right. 6 and half, 8, 9, 3 by 4 equal to how much? Mukal plus half, 1 and call. So call here, right? 1 add here. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 6, 24. 24, 1 by 4. Suppose these fraction values, they are not in the form of half, call, that values, half 1 by 4, 3 by 4. How can you add that values? Here we see. 8 2 by 3 plus 6 4 by 5 plus 9 equal to how much? Now here we see that 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. In this, here 3 is the denominator value, here 5 is the denominator value. This here LCM is 3, 5 LCM is 50. So 3 divides 5 times 5 2 is 10 plus 5 divides 3 for 15 3 times 3 4 is 12. Here 9 plus 6 14 14 plus 9 23 23 22 by 15. 15 divides 22 one time. So that one we here add 23 plus 1 24. Remainder value is 7. 7 by 15. So this is the value of this one. And similarly here 6 1 by 3. 7 2 by 3. 8 3 by 4 equal to 6 plus 7 13 13 plus 8 21. So here 3 4 LCM is 3 4 jan 1. 3 divides 4 times 4 into 1 4. 3 divides 4 times 4 into 2 8. 4 divides 3 times 3 into 3 9. 21 4 plus 8 12 12 plus 9 21 by 12. 12 divides 21 one time. 1 add the here 21 plus 1 22. Remainder value is 9 9 by 12. 3 3 ja 3 4 ja, that equal to 22 3 by 4. So in this way we add the mixed fraction values whenever the fractions are not is in the form of 1 by 2 or 1 by 4 or 3 by 4. Next one is third case, addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. Case 3, addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. Addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. Now here we see that 1 1 by 2 plus 2 3 by 4 minus 2 1 by 4 equal to. Now here first here half plus call 1 and call. In that 1 and call we subtract call we get 1. Now 1 means that 1 add to here 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 4 minus 2 2, that value is 2. Next 3 1 by 2 plus 4 minus 1 3 by 4. Here clearly observe that half, here minus 3 by 4. Half minus 3 by 4 is minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4, we would first separately write minus 1 by 4. And now here we add this 3 plus 4 7. 7 minus 1 6. In that 6 we subtract minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 means 5 3 by 4. So that is the value of this one. So in this way we add mixed fractions. We add and subtract mixed fractions. Next, subtraction of mixed fractions from a whole number. This is type 4. Subtraction of mixed fractions from a whole number. Mixed fraction from whole number. Now here 10 minus 1 1 by 2. 10 minus 1, 9. From that 9 we subtract half. We get 8, 1 by 2. Now 100 minus 5, 3 by 4. Here fraction is not there means we put 1 as pair. 99. 99 is 99 minus 5. 99 minus 5 is 94. 1 minus mukkal. 1 minus mukkal means call 1 by 4. 2000 minus 190 1 by 2. 2000 minus 190. Here 2000 means place 1 as spare. Now remaining is 1999 minus 190. 1999 minus 190. Subtract 9, 0, 8, 1. 1809. Yeah, 1809. 1 minus half. 1 minus half is half. 123 minus 5, 3, 5, 2 by 3. Now here, we put 1 as fairly. Remaining one is 122 minus 5, 117. 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 means simply subtract this one. 3 minus 2, 1 by 3. So 1 minus 2 by 3 means simply subtract here. 3 minus 2, 1. Right denominator value 3. 1 by 3. This is the value of this one. So in this way, we subtract mixed fraction from a whole number. Next case. Next case 5. So in this case 5, mainly we discuss the values in the form of 6 minus 5 by 6. Actually, we convert this value, we get this value as like this. Now here we see that 6 6 36 minus 5, 31 by 6. This value is 6 5 is 30. Carry 1 by 6. So that's why in shortcut way, we write it as 6 minus 5 by 6. We find this value as 6 means we subtract 1 or we put 1 as spare value. 1 spare value means remaining 5. 1 minus 5 by 6. 1 minus 5 by 6 means simply subtract here. 6 minus 5, 1 by 6. 7 minus 7 by 8. 7 is here we put 1 as spare value. Remaining value is 6. 1 minus 7 by 8 means here simply subtract 8 minus 7 value is 1 by 8. 6 1 by 8. 112 minus 6 by 7. Here we put 1 as spare value. 111 minus here 6 minus 5 1 by 7. Next case 6. Case 6, in this case 6 mainly we discuss square values 52 square minus 48 square. These are in the form of a square minus b square. That formula is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b means 52 minus 48. If 52 plus 48, 100. Into 52 minus 48, 4. That value is 400. Forty-three square minus 57 square. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b value is 100. A minus b value is minus 7. Minus 14. Minus 1400. So in this way, we find values whenever that values in the form of squares. Next, case 7. In this case 7, here we observe that we calculate values which are in the form of fractions and also divisions. 40 divided by 0.80 divided by 0.2. Now 40 divide by, here divide by means into 0.8 into 0.2. Here before one digit we have decimal, here before one digit we have decimal. So that's why here we place two zeros in numerator or at the numerator. Divide by 8 into 2. 8 1 ja, 8 5 ja 40, 0 0. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja 0, 250. Next another value. 60 divided by 0.3 divided by 0.2. Simply write this one as 60 divided by 3 into 2. Here before here after decimal we have only one number. Here also one number. So two zeros we here place. Automatically decimal we eliminate the decimal. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 0 0 0. 2 1 ja, 2000 ja. So 1000 is the answer. So in this way, to find these fraction values which are in the form of decimals. Next one, case 8. In this case 8, we subtract the additions of these mixed fraction values. 1 1 by 4 plus 3 2 by 3 minus minus 1 1 by 2 equal to question mark. Now here 1 plus 3, 4 4 minus 1 3 plus here 4 3 2 LCM is 4 3 ja 12. 4 divides 3 times, 3 divides 4 times 4 2 ja 8, 2 divides 6 times 6 equal to 3. 3 plus 8 11, 11 minus 5, 11 minus 6 5, 5 by 12. So in this way we solve the mixed fractions, additions and subtractions. Case 9. In this case 9 we find the percentages values. 45% of 180 plus 35% of 240 equal to question mark percentage of 825. 45% means 45 by 100 into 180 plus 35 by 100 means 35% means 35 by 100 into 240 equal to question mark percentage means question mark by 100 into 825. Now here we observe that divide by 100 is common in all these, so we cancel this one. Next here, in all these three values, all values divisible with 5. So 5 9 ja, 5 7 ja 35, 5 1 ja, 5 6 ja 30, 5 5 ja. Next, again these values divide with 5. 5 3 ja 15, 5 6 ja 30, 5 4 ja 20, 5 8 ja 40, 5 3 ja 15, 5 3 ja 15. Now 9 into 36, 9 6 ja 54, 9 3 ja 27, 32, 7 8 ja 7 8 ja 56, 7 4 ja 28, 33 equal to 33 into question mark. 10, 5 6 6 equal to 33 into question mark. 33 1 ja, 33 2 ja 0. So from this one question mark equal to get that value as 2. So in this way we solve the percentages values. Next, just check. 7 2 by 3 minus 4 1 by 2 equal to plus question mark equal to 30% of 30. 30% of 30. Yeah, 7 minus 4 3 plus LCM is 3. 3 2 is 6 LCM. 3 divides 2 times 2 into 2 4. 2 divides 3 times 3 into 1 is 3 plus question mark equal to 30% means 30 by 100 into 30. 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. 4 minus 3 1 3 1 by 6 plus question mark equal to 3 3 is a 9. Question mark equal to 9 minus 3 1 by 6. Here we put 1 as sparely. 8 minus 3 5. 1 minus 1 by 6 means 6 minus 1 5. 5 by 6. So in this way we solve percentage questions along with fraction values, mixed fraction values. Case 11. In this case 11, we solve the problems with multiplication with 10, 100,000, etc. 25.6 into 10, that value is 256. 2.56 into 100, that value is 256. 2.56 into 10, that value is 25.6. Here 10 means this decimal moves to one step. 2 zeros means 100 means it moves to 2 decimals and so on. 25 by 10. So now the decimal moves to from right to left. Divide by means 2 by 2.5. 25 by 100. The decimal moves from right to left 2 decimals, 2 digits, 0.25. 25 divided by 1000. The decimal moves from right to left 3 digits. 5 2 0. So after that one place decimal 0.025. So these are the 11 different techniques which are used to solve simplification problems. In next class, in part 2, that means in next class, we will discuss how to solve simplification problems within 1 minute time. We will discuss that one next class. Please watch my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Encourage us to do more and more videos. These are useful for competitive exams and also these are useful for placement exams who are in third year and final year. Thank you to one and all.